Hello friends, welcome to Easy Solution. So guys, today we are going to see how can we plot pie chart in Excel. So for plotting the pie chart, I'm going to use this data set. So to insert the pie chart, you need to go to your insert tab. Then you will find the chart section here. So inside the chart section, we have already covered the column chart. So today in this session we are going to cover the pie chart. So what you need to do first, just click on the pie chart and you select which kind of pie chart you want, whether it is a 3D or a 2D. So for this session I'm selecting this 2D pie chart. So once I click on the pie chart, I will get the area of my pie chart like this. At present I have not selected any data, so it is blank now. So to select the data, we need to go to this design tab, and from the design tab you will find this select data option. You need to click on this, and once you click on the select data option, you will find this window. Now you need to give the legend first. So here I'm going to give the legend name. Suppose I'm doing it for television, and the series values you need to select them. So these are the values for my television, and once it is done, you need to click on OK, and after that you need to give the horizontal axis, right? So I'm going to select this years, and once I click on OK, so now you can see my pie chart is complete here. So this is my pie chart. This is for 2005, 2001, 2, 3, 4. Okay, I can also plot this data. If I want, I can go to the layout tab, and from data level I can place the exact value in the center position. So in this way I can plot the pie chart here. If I need to change my data, suppose now I want to do it for maybe mobile, not television, so I can go to the design tab again, and in the select data option I will click again, and here I will going to remove this television, and I'm going to plot maybe this time for radio. So here I'm going to add legends again, and the series I'm going to put the radio, and in series values I'm going to select the values for the radio, and if I click on OK, so you will find the radio values come into the chart. Now I need to select the horizontal or X level. So again I'll click on OK, and I'm going to select this year value, and this is done. So it's very easy to plot pie chart in Excel. So in this way you can plot your pie chart. After that, if you need to change anything in the pie chart, you will have these three tabs: design, layout, and format. And with the help of this three tab, we can change various things in the chart. So you can try it out. Thank you.